How you all going there? I just thought I'd give everyone a quick message just leading up to Christmas. There's only a couple of days to go. Firstly, I just want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel this year. When I first started it, all I did was bought myself a GoPro, thought I'd just go out and film a few little trips and tips and things here and there. But I've really enjoyed some time this year travelling with my family and friends. Also solo trips by myself, like I just did a few recent ones up into the Victorian High Country. So again, thanks so much for following us along. We've been up to Queensland and back and into New South Wales a few times this year, camping out in the Murray River and things like that as well. So thanks heaps for following us along. Also for those guys that have, grabbed a sticker and a t-shirt and a few hoodies off me as well, thanks for that as well. That's very much appreciated. And also to those that follow me along on Instagram and Facebook at Offroad Touring Life, thanks very much. So to everyone out there on the roads this holiday season and heading into 2019, safe travels, and I hope to see you all again leading into the new year.